they are already affected by the poor infrastructure because of lack of public space, and the little that they have is encroached by parking and garbage. So to just understand how how it's affecting them and how we need to work together, it was really starting from scratch, because the data or the vocabulary or the language we had around climate change was really inaccessible. For someone who's dealing with their own day to day, to explain to them that the sea levels are rising, which is such a distant idea. So it was about bringing the issue closer to home as well and understanding what's happening right there. So with the arts-based approach, we had a lot of poetry writing and drawing and photography, because most of the times I feel like a lot of the ways we inquire something can get very extractive and intrusive. And arts-based approach kind of takes a step back and understands the perception on the lived experiences and the observations people make. So for example, we were having photography assignments of, go around and look for dust in your environment, or go around and find the maximum sunlight to the minimum sunlight that you get in this. And what that did is they decided to embody their own environment differently and decided to observe that very differently. And then the insights that came were much deeper, just connecting how climate change or environmental change or poor infrastructure impacts their electricity bill would have only come through had we had conversations about it within, our community meetings. So that's the way we've approached it. And a lot of the work we do there now with our organization, Community Design Agency, is to further that. It's to further the voices and the stories into the forefront before we even come to the solutions, because they are the main experts of their space. They are the main experts because they're not looking at their problem in silos. They're not saying climate change is one issue, but public health is a totally different issue, or like crime is a totally different issue. They can see the connectedness of all of this within their neighborhood. And hence they're able to talk about it with that interconnectedness. And through the work, we want to bring that in the forefront. And also the community is coming together more strongly now after our 7 years of initiatives with them.